Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a secure email system with Mimecast, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the basic concepts of email security. Understanding the importance of a secure email system is crucial. Start by researching Mimecast and its key features that enhance email security. Sign up for a Mimecast account if you haven't already. Once registered, log in to your Mimecast portal. Navigate to the admin section of the portal. Begin by configuring your email domain settings. Add your primary email domain to Mimecast. Verify domain ownership by following the provided instructions. Set up your email authentication methods, including SPF, DKIM, and MARC. Next, configure your policies for email security. Access the policy section in the Mimecast dashboard. Create filtering policies to protect against spam and phishing. Customize your settings based on your organization's needs. Add content control policies to manage sensitive information in emails. Set up data loss prevention policies to prevent unauthorized data sharing. Now, focus on the archiving feature. Enable email archiving to ensure compliance and data retention. Customize your archiving settings according to your business requirements. Proceed to set up threat protection features. Enable targeted threat protection to block advanced threats. Implement attachment protection to secure against malicious files. Integrate the Mimecast API if you require advanced functionality. Test the integration by sending test emails. Monitor your Mimecast dashboard for any alerts or security incidents. Conduct regular training sessions for users on email security best practices. Encourage users to recognize phishing attempts and suspicious emails. Review and update your policies periodically for ongoing effectiveness. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.